this. Shimmery, glittery watercolors in an adorable little palette. Look how it slides open. Can you see this okay? Look at that. There are stops to keep this from sliding all the way open. So it's supposed to go like that. This is the little 3x5 potentate book. Let's see how big that is in comparison. I've got a sticker on here now. Let's see how many full pans fit in here. You remember this from a previous video as well. This is that harder plastic. Still not super sturdy. And this is like the flimsier insert to hold the paints. Let's try it vertically while still simultaneously remembering what order all my paints were in. Okay, it holds 5 this way. Ooh, let's try vertically. There! Ooh, look at that. Pull it past the little stops. Which I'm not sure if that's the best thing for it, but... Ooh, that's so cool. Now, if you didn't want them to move around, you could stick blue tack on the bottom, which probably wouldn't look very pretty. You could also do this and put magic eraser in here and then just use this as your little palette. Even if you don't use the sponge, it would keep it from moving around. The other thing you could do, if you use smaller brushes, is... There. It's a horrible color palette arrangement that's like green, brown, and red. What would I do with that? Brush might fit in here. My brush is too big for that because it's the chunkier handle that I can use with wrist strength issues. But let's try out a few other interesting things here. I've got a Sharpie. Oh. Okay. Well, this is shorter than I thought it was. But the width of a Sharpie, so if you had a brush that was this long, and the width of a Sharpie. Ooh. Aha! Aha ha! Ooh! Oh! Look at this. Ha! Ha ha ha! Ha ha ha! Oh no! I get way too excited about watercolor paint stuff. Let's not got close with all those in there. Oh, that's all of them. It's not gonna close. And these teeny little hinges are like practically non-existent here, so I don't want to break that. But let's take these off the top. This is a really pretty earth color palette. Look at how I ended up dividing that up subconsciously. That's fun. Hee. Okay. I could totally use this for crayons in my bag and protect them. Cause this is the tin that I have that's the smallest crayon tin. Whoa. I just discovered that with you. Look at that. Oh, that's so cool. Cause otherwise it'd be like this big. I mean, it's thicker, but like... Wow. That's amazing. Okay, I have to show this to Mom. Wow. It fits perfectly. 5 crayons. Wow. Let's find out how well this fits in my bag. Because I've showed you the bag before, so it's quite possible you have one at this point. Okay, it doesn't fit in this outside pocket, but it could sit in here. And you could, of course, fit this palette in there with the paints in it as well. Should I put the paints back in it? This is so pretty. Ah! I dropped a crayon! I don't think it broke. Let's stick this back in here. I like sticking it like that. It takes up less space. But of course, if you flip it over, it's all gonna fall out. So there's that. I should have maybe paid attention to what order these were in before doing that. The colors, if you wanted to know the color names, are white and black and blue and light blue and purple. And gray, right? Did I say them all? Well, I guess I'm rearranging the colors. Oh, they don't go vertically. Although, if you pull out the insert, 2 half pans fit vertically. See, 2 half pans fit vertically. And then that many fit horizontally. So you could fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 colors in here based on that. Or, what do we say, 7 full pans. This is fun. Okay, I'm gonna put them back in the thing. I really don't know what order they were in, but you can kind of see. This one's probably the white one. There's nothing written on them at all. And there's no pigment information. So wash your hands after you use them. This one's probably the gray, or like a silver color. I think they called it gray. This one looks greenish. Like this is probably the black. Because there wasn't one that was called green. Light blue, blue, purple, black. And of course I'm going to rearrange the colors because I tested the thing and it fell out of the thing. We will be surprised if I switch to the gray and the blue by accident. Oh wait, this one's the white. It's like transparent glitter. You see that sparkling from there? Hold on. And next is silver. You behold the glitter. Look at the glitter. Let's add more color. They're very sheer. You could totally like layer this over something you'd already painted and just get some glitter. There we go, there's some color. That one? Where's the glitter? I guess I didn't actually pick up any color. I'm just painting with water. Let me try again. There's the color. Ooh. Oh. Oh, I bet this one's made with phthalo blue. Okay, and here's the purple. Interesting to see if it comes out to be a warm or a cool purple. Oh. 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 What? It doesn't look very purple. It looks like caput mortem. It's a brownish purple. There's the purple. Well, I better stop and not put more because we won't know what the light version looked like. And then the last one, black. Black glittery watercolor. Oh, there's a thing that's gonna happen. You're gonna get paint all over the tray thing. Black. Ooh. Lovely gray. They are nice and subtle. Like you could layer this white one over something. Oh, it would be really pretty as snow. This one would be really pretty as snow. I actually had a nail polish this color once. Alright, let's make the dark version. I'm going to put a little water on each of these and then give it a few seconds. Which is what I know you're probably supposed to do, but I wanted to know how hard are these to pick up? What's the pale version look like? So we've been painting with them already, and I've put a dot of water on top. So this will give you an idea of how dark can this color get. It still isn't opaque. Like I'm piling a ton on, and you can still see my line. This is silver gray color. Ooh. One of the things about glitter paints is they don't always show up well on camera, but in person it's like so much fun. And next is the light blue. Let's see what it looks like. That one has more range, so you could paint really pale like snow, or you could paint this more like darker bluey green like ocean color. I don't think any of these are going to be particularly opaque at this point, which is really nice to know because that means you can layer them over what you've already done and just add glitter. Blue, which looks phthalo blue to me. It is, woo, an intense blue. I love blue. And then purple, which looks more purple in the pan than it does on the page. And the last one, black, which is very dark gray. It's not really black. I don't know if you can see that, but I can still see the line through that despite it being a dark color. Oh man, I made such a pretty thing and then at the last second I dropped my brush. Oh. Okay, well thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this. I gotta go clean my pants. I'll see you in the next video. There, I sort of fixed it. Well, the colors lift. As you saw, the crayons fit in here. I will probably stick crayons in there. Like, this would be a perfect take to the doctor kit with the 5 crayons or whatever. This is a fun little palette. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.